the new Pride Edition Sport Band for 2025. It's $49 and available for all Apple Watch sizes. Let's open it.
Whoa, really cool in person. This is an instant keeper.
Today we're seeing it in all angles, lighting, and other watch faces. I personally think this is the best sport band yet, compared to their other Pride watch bands. Not as good as their braided solo loop, but it's a good sport band option. According to the Apple website and the very useful Bandbrite app, this sport band proudly celebrates the strength and individuality of the LGBTQ+ community.
In case you're new to sport bands, to assemble, insert each strap per end with a metal nub on the inside. Then insert the pin through the hole with the most comfortable fit. Lock it in by tucking the end through the loop. Take a look at that.
It matches a Pride Harmony watch face, which features vibrant rainbow stripes in varying shapes and sizes. The bars shape into the numbered hour per time. Like here you'll see the number 12. Glitching, this is 3, but then when I tap it, it goes back to 2. The bold stripe design is inspired by the color palette of multiple Pride flags. Black and brown honor Black and Latin communities, as well as those impacted by HIV and AIDS. Light blue, pink, and white represent transgender and non-binary individuals. Just like other multicolored watch bands, it'll match a lot of things. You can just choose one color on it to match, or a neutral. Might clash with other patterns though. After all, it is pretty bold. Here it is outdoors. And on a silver Apple Watch from an older generation, so you see how it fits. I'm using a 42mm sport band. Know a lot of people still have the midnight Apple Watch. The matching iPhone wallpaper is an added bonus from Apple. Just make sure you have the latest software, and it should be available after pressing and holding onto your current wallpaper and then selecting it from the options from there. It's fun matching the watch faces with the sport bands. Here are a few examples so you see it on other watch faces. Let me know which faces you like best. Because this is made of high-performance colored fluoroelastomer that are assembled by hand and compression molded together, no two bands will be exactly alike. Apple's proud to financially support organizations that serve the LGBTQ+ communities. So far I'm liking either light, bright, or multicolor faces for this. Really hope this helped make any decisions out there. See if you like it or not. If this helped, give it a like. Subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.